Only you can make all this world seem right. Only you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of mine. So for today's video, it is the first episode of Anna's back to school corner, I guess. It's just gonna be a couple of DIYs and then also a back to school haul. And yeah, so I think it'll be like 2 or 3 episodes. So I hope you guys enjoy this year's back to school series. And yeah, start off, we're gonna be making heart paper clips from paper clips. It's really simple, and like I've watched a couple of like other paperclip, like heart paper clips DIY ways, how-tos, and they're a little bit more complicated. And I've seen in their comments, it's kind of like people are like, I've wasted so many paper clips and I still don't have it. So I try to simplify as much as possible, literally one step. So please don't waste too many paper clips. If you do, just maybe stop or take a break. Make some cute cute heart paper clips that are different and that maybe you can hand your essay papers in and show it off to your teachers. So yeah, okay, that was a bit long of an intro, so sorry about that, but anyways, super duper simple, like 3 seconds and you're done. So let's get started. So to start off with the materials, all you're going to be actually needing for this DIY is going to be some paper clips of your choice. So basically I'm going to insert a picture here, and this is how your paper clip should look facing you. Okay, so there's that picture that should be somewhere here. So yeah, okay. I'll flip this like image over so you can have it facing you, because right now it's facing me. All you're going to do is just bend it in half, like keep on bending it in the middle, like the middle. You might need some help with the table if you're kind of weak, and just bend it, like you just literally just bent it like that, and now you've literally got your heart paper. Sometimes this might stab the paper, so you kind of just want to move it like back so it doesn't stab the paper, and that's it. Like that's literally it. So I'm just going to show you how it looks on a piece of paper here. Just like that, and you've got your paper clip. Hopefully you can see that. And this is how it would like kind of look from the back, kind of like an X, but it also looks kind of cute this way too if you'd like it to be. So let me show you again. Bend it like the middle, like into the middle, like that. Just keep on bending it until you basically see a heart shape yourself, like that. And then there's like, it kind of looks weird, I don't know, like it's kind of like stabbing everywhere, so you just kind of want to like move it behind, like this little bit here, just move it behind that so it kind of just is nice and flat now, and you've literally got your paper clip. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's DIY. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends. And ciao! Oh, tune in back next week for the second episode of Anna's Back to School Corner. Paper clips, say ciao!
Only you can make all this world seem right.